Hey guys, welcome back to Arie Moore's Makeup Room where we learn and grow together. Guys, I am back with another client makeup tutorial. Today we are doing a cute baby blue cut crease, guys. She has a photo shoot and blue is the color, guys. I'm so happy to be back with another video for you guys. My client today, she is a Louisville model. She is so full of life, guys. So she's going to be talking the whole video, but y'all not going to hear the conversation though. But yeah, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Before we get into the eyeshadow, I am going to prime the eyelids and prep everything with some concealer, guys. You can use an eyeshadow base. It's really totally up to you. I absolutely love using concealers. It just works best for me. And her eyebrows are already done. I did that before we started recording. Now you guys are going to see me just go ahead and blend out. Make sure everything is nice and smooth and ready to go, period. Now that we have that, I am going to be using one of my Morphe palettes. What I do is, for this look in particular, I'm going in automatically right off the bat with all of my dark browns. Y'all know, if you are a makeup guru or somebody who has been tapping into makeup a lot, you know that no matter what, all of these browns are different. So I'm using every single shade of dark browns for this eyeshadow look, and it just makes it really nice and flawless. I went in dark immediately just because I wanted to go ahead and outline, but the turnout is so amazing. Take your time. Sometimes you might want to start from your lighter shades and work into your darker shades, but I decided that, you know, I'm further along in my career as a makeup artist to where using some of the darker shades actually work for me best to start out with. But y'all, just learn as you go and just be comfortable. Take your time. Blending is really the key to everything. Don't go in with too much. Don't go in with too little. Just learn your hand. Now guys, you are going to see me go in with some of those lighter browns. You just seen it in the mixture there, thank God. So you at least get an idea of what colors I'm using. I'm going to be using those two shades to kind of buff out the edges and the tip, especially around the eyebrow area. It kind of helps blow out the look without it being too dark. I went in with some of the really dark brown and a little bit of black back into that crease area just to really add some definition. As you guys can see, now that's really bringing the look to life. We can really see the shape of her eyelids. It is so beautiful already. This is just a really quick look, guys, so just have fun, enjoy, take your time, talk to your clients. I always tell people to talk to their clients because, yeah, or in this case, let your client talk to you. You want to take time to build those colors up. Sometimes you have to go back and forth into the same shades just to really add that definition. Take your time and just make it do what it do, okay? So you see me, I'm back with that first brush and I'm just blending everything out and just making sure everything is nice and blown out really good. Like the, y'all, the blend is blending, okay? Blending, period. As I move forward, I am going to do my cut crease. I like to really take my time on the cut crease, guys. I've been doing it for a long time. I used to tap the concealer on their eyelids and have them look up so that I can shape them, but I've gotten so skilled to the point where I actually don't have to do that no more, and I'm so proud of myself. I definitely came a very long way on this channel, guys. So when you do the cut crease, you do want to make sure that you blend the cut crease out and make sure that it's nice and tacky before adding any color on top. So just take your time with this part because it can be tricky, especially if you're just starting out. Don't panic. But y'all, the cut crease, it really does make the look stand out so much more. The client that I have today, y'all, she is just so amazing. She's so much fun. The conversation just makes the whole process so much easier, guys. I absolutely love working with her, and I should be working with her again very soon. Now that that's all blended out, guys, I am going to be going back into this Morphe palette. I'm starting in the inner corners with some very light blue. And then as you guys are going to see me go along, I switch between some dark blues, some light blues. You'll pretty much kind of see that as we go. But this kind of gave her eyelids like a nice water effect. And then at the end of it, I was like, this kind of looked like a tie-dye, you know, a little tie-dye. I can't really tell if I'm using a flat brush. I don't remember. I think I'm using I know for sure I'm using a small brush, but it's not really considered a flat brush, but it's also not a blending brush either. Yeah, don't hold me to that one. But I'm just following the crease, following the lines. I'm taking my time to really build the colors up as I go. I'm not just taking a bunch of colors and just slapping it on there, guys. I'm literally patting the colors on. Sometimes I gotta go and check and make sure my camera's still recording, because yeah, my camera be turning off on me sometimes because I gotta get a new camera. But yeah, now I'm going on some light blue closer to the line. The blue from this Morphe palette, y'all, it's amazing. I got this palette from Ulta, I believe, and I just really love it. I just absolutely love this blue. When I first went to the store and I seen it and I tried it on myself, me and my daughters was in the store like, oh yeah, it's going down. I had to buy it. This palette ran for about maybe like $30, I believe, plus tax. But you know, I be having on points. Yeah, so a lot of my stuff be kind of, you know, discounted and free. It don't be free, but it be feeling free because I be getting a lot of discounts from Ulta because I shop a lot. She's very comfortable, y'all. I love seeing my clients comfortable. So I'm actually going into the Juvia's palette because she has this dark blue that I absolutely love. And I knew that was going to really bring the cut crease together with the outer crease. So this was just perfect for that. And y'all see how now that dark blue was on there, everything just, it literally looks like water to me. Maybe it don't look like water to you, but it looks like water to me. So mind your business, because that's just how I feel about it. Take your time, blend those colors together. It is okay to work out on multiple palettes, even if you're using the same colors, because each palette is going to give you something different. And you want to be able to go from palette to palette sometimes just to create the look that you're going for. I definitely want to do purple on her. Like, I'm going to ask her if I could do purple next time. We're going into some of those browns and some blacks again too, and just kind of like blending everything into that blue so that it all combines and just makes a lot of sense, guys. But yeah, just enjoy the video, y'all, and listen to the music. So her eyes are finished and I'm bronzing right now, and I just want to show you guys that step. I'm not sure why, because I didn't even do like the full face tutorial for you guys, but check out the next upload, because the next upload I actually recorded me doing my client's full face. Recording client tutorials can be a challenge because one, they be having places to go, and two, when you're recording, you do have to record and stop, fix lighting, and it's a lot that comes with it. But I wanted to just show you guys how I bronze really fast. And her look came out so natural and just so beautiful in general. I just absolutely love it, love it, love it, love it. Now she's about to look at her makeup, guys. Oh, look at her face, period. Natural. I try to make sure that all of my clients, their skin is skinning. That's so important to me, guys. And yeah, I like to make sure that everybody leaves a very, very natural. But anyway, guys, I know this was a quick video, guys. Just let me know, how did you like the video down in the comments? What did you think about the look? I hope you guys are following me on Instagram at Glam with Arie, guys. Yeah. But anyway, I'm just going to see you guys in the next tutorial, okay? Look at her smile. Yeah, she's definitely ready for her photo shoot.